Yo, this is 𝐂𝐨𝐻𝐿 dealer and today I have something very nice for you. BMW M3 competition. Now let's have a closer look. Introducing BMW M3 Coupe competition package. Absolutely stunning automobile, comes with a lot of goodies as well. I mean, check out these fenders. Never seen this kind of fenders on an M3 before. Also custom forged rims and AP brakes for front and behind. Also for this car, all the wear and tear have been replaced, including the Conrod bearing. Throttle actuator and valve cover even come with lifetime warranty. Of course, we got Akrapovic exhaust and bunch of other modifications, all of which are LTA approved. Check out all the carbon bits, including carbon fiber roof. Also on the inside, we have very nice flat bottom, dry carbon steering mixed with Alcantara. And as you can see, the interior is in fantastic condition as well. Okay guys, about the deal. This car on a COE, we still got 6 years and 5 months. And in terms of depreciation, now listen to this. Around $19,000 or even slightly less. For this kind of V8 performance car, it's a steal. So you all know what to do. Call me, and I'll give you a good deal.